YouTube is literally free. It's scary out here. I'm pocket watching, put it like that. Why are people charging $100 for makeup, and why are you paying $150 for makeup? Like, let's talk about it, because I'm so confused. So there's so much to break down in this video, so let's go ahead and break down. One, multitask is not my best skill, so I'm gonna try the best I can to multitask. There are girls out here charging $100 for makeup, $150 for makeup, $80 for a natural bead. What's a natural bead? Like, why is a natural bead $80? People should learn how to do their own makeup. Now, if you have like a special event, you know, like a wedding, graduation, you know, and you want to spend that money on getting makeup done, by all means go for it. But if you are the average person who works a 9 to 5 and you got $150 to spend on makeup, I need your job. I found out that I can rent a booth for $150 a month and charge people to do their makeup without a license. How is that possible? This is me asking around, because when I found out that people are charging $150 a face, I was like, gang, I'm about to hop on in it. Now, I didn't take it because, truthfully, I've tried to do other people's makeup and I'm not the best at it. It's like having like 2 left feet. It just doesn't, I can't coordinate well with it. And I'm working on that because I plan on getting that booth. I plan on charging too. Now, I understand people gotta pay for a service. Okay, I understand that these makeup artists have bills, light bill, water bill, gas bill, okay, rent, mortgage, kids, lifestyle, all that stuff. I understand all that, and I ain't knocking out, because the truth of the matter is your price is your price, and there's always be somebody willing to pay for it. I'm not knocking that. I'm not mad at that. But for the average person, depending on where you live and what minimum wage is there, like I remember I lived in Arizona years ago, and minimum wage was $12.25, and I was not making minimum wage, but I was concerned for people making minimum wage because the cost of housing out there was way more, you know, was expensive compared to, like, you know, what people were making, in my opinion. You know, a person making $12.75 an hour would be, if you're a single person, you know, you probably barely making that $900, $800 rent, and you take $150 of that money to get your makeup done, huh? And to a lot of people, when you get it and you have it, $150 is like not nothing for a lot of people. And I get it, you know, a special occasion or when the check hit, you know, you got things to do, you already planned this stuff. But there are some people I personally know who get their makeup done professionally more than 6 times a year. And 6 times a year is probably not a lot for a lot of people. And I'm pretty sure there's way more people getting their makeup done more than 6 times a year. Like, we got like local celebrities. You know, I don't know if they're paying promo or what, but it's expensive. And again, some people do want to splurge, like on their birthday, wedding day, graduation, and that makes perfect sense. And I'm not knocking people like that, but I think that it's important to be like a little bit more financially responsible when it comes to services, we pick and choose. Now, if you're a person who's practicing your makeup, practicing, and it's not getting better, I understand. And then we have to also define what's not getting better. Like, what does that mean? What does it look like for that person? Could it be like a certain face shape they have, and they're looking at people on YouTube who have a different type of face shape? Could it be a type of makeup look they're going for? Like a, super glam makeup look that requires you to like arches and cut creases and designs, right? Makes sense. But if you a person for a natural beat, $80, girl, you better learn how to do your own makeup. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's talk about like some of the products people are using for your $80 beat. Okay, let's talk about that. Let's get into that, because that is also kind of absurd in my opinion. For some of the people I've seen, like I've seen people who will say $80 a face, $150 a face, and they beat in your face with Maybelline. And there's nothing wrong with Maybelline, nothing like that. But how am I paying you $150 for Maybelline products that I personally know a full day of makeup is only gonna last you? I mean, like a full day of makeup, like a full face of makeup of like products like that, like, cheaper foundation or cheaper concealer. It's not gonna last on your face all day. Like, your eyeshadow could be done with the bombest palettes, and they're gonna stay all day. But your foundation concealer is gonna crease. Then you got oily skin, it's gonna get oily. It's gonna start shifting. Like, huh? I was watching a commentary earlier. I think it was Baddies or something. And long story short, one cast member asked another cast member, "Hey, can your makeup artist my face, whatever?" And the cast member responded like, "Yeah, girl, she can do it." She charged $175 full glam with lashes and $150 full glam without lashes. I was like, what? Your $150 beat, depending on your skin type, it's only gonna last you 4 to 6 hours. It could be on your face 12 hours. It could be on your face 26 hours. It could be on your face 48 hours. Which you shouldn't do, because that means you didn't wash your face. And you're trying to preserve your makeup look, which it says you can't afford it. Which, no shade to you, but you shouldn't be doing it to your skin. It's gonna ruin your skin anyway. But anyway, it's gonna last you a good 4 hours, because if you got oily skin, the oil gonna seep through. Assuming you don't have blotting papers, you're not walking around looking like a ghost like I'm looking right now. You don't have, setting spray. You don't have setting powder to reset it, and even if you did, it's gonna cake up and look kind of some way. If you got nice hydrated skin and you have products that align with your skin, like you look like a matte look, and you have oily skin, it may last you 6 hours. And you telling yourself that your makeup's gonna last you for 8 hours. Your makeup artist telling you that your makeup will last for 8 hours. I'm telling you that's cap. It's not gonna last that long. When I first started my makeup journey, I really first got into makeup because my grandma low-key high-key gave me $5. He told us to go get what we want out of Family Dollar, and I went and bought an eyeliner pencil, and I smudged across my eyebrows, and I realized, ooh, look at that, that look kind of cute. I was probably in 5th grade when that happened, maybe. Now I come in 5th grade, I was older than that. With that being said, I was doing that for a minute, drawing in my eyebrows like that. When I found YouTube, I was going on YouTube, and I was learning how to do my makeup. And you guys look at some of my old videos, I was not the best, but I practiced. And I even thought about, I'm going to show you guys how to do my makeup and teach you guys how to do makeup. And, that's how it started. And then over the years, because I like to wear makeup, when I go out, I progressively got better. But I'm saying, make sure you can afford to pay for it, okay? And that gets into my next thing of people trying to wear their makeup to make it last 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 48 hours. Are you okay? I know you want to get your money's worth, and I respect that. But that makeup, like, you know, if it's seeking to your pores, it does cause some issues. Not gonna lie. If you didn't know, now you know. Skincare is first. Like, even if you feel like you don't feel beautiful without makeup, your skin is so important, because when your skin is all bumped up or like discolored, that requires you to buy more products to do color correction or to minimize your pores. You know, I feel like makeup artists, when they do makeup, they should charge extra for that. Cause it's like, girl, you came up in here with you didn't come up here with a blank canvas, you know? I'm surprised they don't charge extra to do people's eyebrows. Cause I know people be coming up with their eyebrows not done. I tried to do my sister's makeup the other day to practice makeup. And she's like, oh, do you wanna, you know, shape up my eyebrows? I'm like, girl, you should have came with your eyebrow shape. This is why I can't do people makeup. Think about this before you go pay that money. That's all I want you to do. Can you afford this service? If the answer is yes, okay, the next question is, how long do you plan on wearing this makeup? Do you plan on wearing this every night? I mean, not every night, but do you plan on wearing it more than 12 hours? If your answer is yes, you should probably pay only for special occasions, but meantime, between time, practicing yourself. Some gel liner on. It's the lashes that make it sexy and dramatic. You can do it too, girl. You better go and practice. We trying to put our money to the side, you know what I'm saying? We trying to save some money around here. So do what I did. Practice your makeup at home. And that is it. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.